Today, I'll show you how to make a really quick and easy lip balm. Initially, I wanted to make this lip balm with beeswax, but I don't have beeswax at home. So I decided to use shea butter instead. It makes sense because I use shea butter daily to moisturize my skin. Shea butter comes from African shea tree and is extracted by nuts produced by the tree. It has anti-inflammatory properties and assists in creating collagen, also a natural sunblock. Along with shea butter, I'll use an even amount of coconut oil. You can read the step-by-step guide on how to make this product in the link below in the description box. Next, warm the shea butter and the coconut oil for just a short time. It will turn into liquid. Once you have the liquid, pour it into a glass or into a measuring bowl. And what I did here is put just a little piece of lipstick for coloring. My daughter recommended that I use watermelon for flavoring, so that's the only product that I went out to get, the watermelon flavoring, and I got that from Hobby Lobby. Since this is your product, you can create it how you like. I'm putting a couple of drops of almond essential oil because almond is really good for moisturizing as well. You can use any type of essential oil if you like, or you don't have to use any essential oil at all. You can use the lipstick like I did for coloring, or you don't have to use any coloring at all. It's your choice. You can use shea butter, you can use beeswax, and there's also other waxes that you can use as well. But this is the foundation. You warm up even amounts, turn it into liquid, stir it really well, and now we are ready to pour into containers. Only 1 tablespoon of shea butter, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, a little bit of lipstick that I already had at home for tint, a little bit of essential oil that I used just to try out, and some watermelon flavor, and I have 6 containers of lip balm. Honestly, I could have did without the almond essential oil because shea butter is from a nut and almond is nut, and I just probably didn't need it, but was just trying it out. But this is very simple and easy to make. This is how it looks after being refrigerated for about an hour. Try it, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos.